Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing this look right here. Yeah, I did a lot, and this is not a review or anything, but I was kind of testing out like a palette, but it's not a review. I'll tell you guys later, like, all about it. I don't want to do a long intro, so if you want to learn how to get this look right here, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so before we get into this video, I do want to say real quick, two things actually. On the camera, I actually switched the settings. Last video, it's the same setting. I am still like changing settings on this camera. I'm not done working on it yet. But I think I'm getting closer to what I really like with the camera. I think I just need to do a little bit of tweaking to it, and then I think I'll be done messing with this camera, and I think we'll be good. I'm almost to where I like how my videos are. I mean, I am happy on how they look, but there's some things that I want to like pick at, and I'm almost there. And another thing is, you guys are probably tired of this background, because I use it so much. Like, I use it like every single time I record a video now, and I think it's getting kind of annoying too. But I do still really like this background. But these are so expensive. They're like, okay, so we get it like at Joann's and stuff like that. We don't get actual backdrops. These are like fabrics that you like make dresses. I use it as backdrops because a lot of people use them at backdrops because they're cheaper, I think, or they don't feel like ordering them online. I don't know. I never really searched backdrops anywhere. I just always searched like where to get the perfect fabric or something like that, so I could have some ideas for my backdrops for my YouTube channel. But these are so expensive. They're like $30, $20 or something like that. $20, $30, and this is like, what is this? I don't even know how long this is. I totally forgot. But it's like I know how long it is, but I forgot how long it is. You know what I mean? But they're just really expensive, so please, like, you know, like, just hang in there with me. I will be getting more soon, but they're just really expensive. They're not, like, really, really expensive, but they're expensive enough. So I haven't got any other ones yet, but I will be getting some more soon. But I don't think there's anything else to say, other than let's just get into this video. I'm going to prime my eyes with this Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer in 10, and I'm just going to do that, and that's it, because I hate when my eyes look cakey. Like, that's like I freak out when my eyes look cakey and when my eyeshadow looks weird. This is enough coverage for me, and I don't really care on how much coverage I have on my eyelids because I'm going to be covering up like the eye primer with eyeshadow anyway, so it really does not matter for me personally. And then I'm going to take my Airspun Loose Face Powder. I already opened it, but I'm going to try to not spill. This is the Airspun, oh, I have it upside down. This is the Airspun Loose Face Powder in translucent. There is colors. There's like a deep, I think. There's darker colors and lighter colors, I think. Maybe there's only 3. Maybe this is the middle shade. I have no idea. But I know that there's other colors than translucent. I'm just going to use that and just put some on my lid. So I watched Riverdale, and it's a Thursday when I'm recording this video. And I usually watch Riverdale, Life Sentence, which is a new series with Lucy Hale. I usually watch my shows if they come on at night, like in the morning, the next day. Because I go to bed early. I'm not a normal teenager. I go to bed early and wake up pretty early and then get ready for the day and just, yeah. Normal teenagers would rather sleep in and do nothing all day, but I like doing things, and I like getting up and getting ready for the day, and I'm like so hyped and everything. It's just, I'm a weird child. But I watched Riverdale, and girl, oh my god, like, every episode got me shooken, like, seriously. Like, I just can't. I literally just can't. Alright, so we're going to go in with this palette right here. This is the new Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette. Oh my god, like, I was so excited when I saw, like, the first picture of these palettes. Like, I was dying. I was quaking. My whole world was quaking. I was shooken. Everything was just a lot, and I really wanted these palettes. There's 4 in total, I believe. I have 2 of them. I want to get the other 2. I have this one, which is Rose in the Air, and I'm going to be trying this one, and the other one that I got, I will be putting in a first impressions. I know it's kind of not going to be a first impression with that palette because I'm using this, and most likely they have the same formula. But, you know, I want to try this. I really do, and I don't want to wait because I have a lot of products that I still have to get for the first impressions. But I'm going to go in with this one. It says transition, so I'm going to go in with it. These 2 right here says transition. I'm going to put those 2 in my crease, but first I'm going to take this one, and then I'll take that one. I'm going to take this Saucony blending brush. I use this brush every single time when I do my eyeshadow and blend stuff in my crease. I just love it so much. But I'm just going to put that in my crease. Alright, so I'm going to take this color right here, which for some reason it reminds me of Pukey and the Jaclyn Hill palette, which I love that color, so I just love those kind of toned colors. I don't have a lot, but I really like those kind of colors. I'm just going to put that in my crease also. Alright, so my hair is so frizzy, so I'm sorry if it is very frizzy on camera, but I took this color in my brow bone right here, just this matte kind of cream white color, just to kind of clean it up and look really like girl, like, hey, don't mess with me. That's not really what it means, but you know. Can't go in with a rose palette if you don't go in with roses, okay? So I really want to use like these colors or something. I don't know. I think I want to take this color in my on my lid. And I think I want to take this one right here because that's really gorgeous. I don't even think, do I have a color like that in my collection? I think in the Tarte Pro palette, it's kind of similar, but it's not like the same exact color. I'm going to go in with this brush right here. This is the Luxie. Oh, this is a Luxie brush? What? I don't even remember. I got it on my Ipsy bag, but I don't remember it being a Luxie brush. But this is the 239 Precision Shader Brush. And it just looks like this, you know, and I'm just going to grab that color. And I wish I had a freaking mirror because I keep looking. But I'm going to put that on the outer part of the eye. And then I'm just going to apply the color again and just blend it out until I like on how it looks. So, let me swatch this gold first and see what we're working with before I decide. Pretty gold, gotta say. That's a pretty gold. That's a pretty gold. Holy. Okay, I don't know if you guys could see that, but it looked kind of dark on camera, but it's really not. So this is from the Wet n Wild palette. These 3 are from the Jaclyn palette. This one's really pretty, but I feel like it's a little bit too light. This one I feel like is a little bit too dark. This one, I feel like it's a little bit too orange. We're just gonna go in with this one right here. I think this is the same color I used in my other video, which is kind of similar to this look, but it's kind of not at the same exact time. I used different kind of colors in the crease and the outer part of the eye. I think this was my Carly Bible inspired look, which is like a couple videos back. But we're gonna get a brush and we're gonna apply that gold first, and I'm gonna apply that gold right on the inner part of the eye. I'm gonna damp the brush because it's kind of not like really like looking really metallic, not metallic but very shimmering as like I want it to. So I'm just gonna add some water. Alright, so I'm gonna switch the brush over. I'm gonna damp it first, and I'm gonna take, let me show you guys the color. I'm gonna take this one right here that's in the middle, and I'm just gonna apply that right on the center. Whoa. Whoa, girl. Okay. I see. So, I'm gonna get a liner, and I'm gonna put it close to my not lower. I'm going to put it close to my lash line, and then my lashes, I'll let you guys know when I get back with you guys after I do my full face of makeup. And yeah, so I'll be right back with you guys. Alright guys, so we're going to do the lower lash line with you guys. Oh, and my lashes are the Ardel Faux Mink lashes in 811. And yeah, so what we're going to be doing now is our lower lash line. And I don't know if I want to go in with a black liner or a white liner. I'm kind of... I think we're going to do a white liner because there's a lot going on the eyes, I feel like in the crease. I feel like if I add a black liner, it'll be too much. But if you want to, you can. If you want to add a black liner, you can. It really, it would look good. Don't do it because I'm not doing it. But I'm going to put a white liner in my waterline. And that is this Rimmel London liner. This, I don't know what it's called. I don't know if they have a name for their liners or not. This is what, to my knowledge, this is a Rimmel London white waterline pencil, and that's it. But I'm just going to put that in my waterline, and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is, I don't know if I want to do a smokiness down there, or just the colors that we put in the crease down there, or what. I have no idea what I want to do. I think for right now, we could add something later if we do not like on how it looks or something like that. But for right now, I think I'm just going to go in with the 2 transition shades that we went with in our crease. And then we'll see if we need to add something later. And this brush, I don't even know what kind of brush this is, but it's just like this little fluffy shader brush, if you want to call it. But yeah, so I'm just going to smoke the first color down there first. Grabbing the second color. And then next, I think I'm going to actually go in with that color that we put on the outer part of the eye. I think I'm going to grab a definer brush and just put it near the waterline with this Posh eyeliner brush. It's just like this mini little brush. I like that. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side real quick. So now what I'm going to be doing real quick is putting some powder under my eyes. And then I'm going to, and the mascara that I'm going to be using is this one right here. This is the Maybelline New York Great Lash Mascara in Very Black. It's the waterproof one. And I'm just going to put it on my lower lashes, and then I'm going to reapply the white liner because the white liner kind of went away when we were applying that dark rose color. Alright guys, so I'm kind of I'm sitting on my foot right now. It hurts so bad. But I'm going to try to rush with this outro and the intro because, when I don't... I'm small, okay? But, yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. I'm trying to rush this, oh my god, my foot. I put on my earrings, I put on a choker. Well, I already put that on, but I was going to put it on a shirt, but my hair kind of covers, the straps anyway. So, yeah, but I do have a shirt on. But the lip that I went for, my camera died, so I couldn't really say what I went for. This is the NYX Liquid Suede cream lipstick in Sandstorm, and yeah, so it's real cute and all Gucci and everything. I really like this look, but I don't think there's anything else to say, guys. But I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.